A revolutionary smart fabric is unboxed, promising a new era in wearable technology. This fabric isn't just stylish, it's embedded with sensors monitoring vital signs and environmental conditions. As tech enthusiasts marvel at its potential, the narrative takes a twist. The fabric undergoes a stress test, emphasizing its durability and innovation, before being theatrically dissolved in a unique spectacle. This dramatic conclusion not only engages viewers but also highlights the cutting-edge nature of smart textiles. The script targets tech enthusiasts and curious viewers, merging technological exploration with captivating destruction